Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your headphones Xiaomi Buds 5. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use USB-C cable, so just connect it to USB-C port at the bottom and we can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your headphones. We also can see a LED light here, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.